Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Sele Kalio, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for coming back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your super extreme 3 days whitening lotion. Now, this recipe, I'm going to be leaving all the ingredients and the percentages on the screen. If you want to see how this cream is made and get the full recipe, you will have to watch this video till the end because I'm not leaving the ingredients in the description bar. I'm sorry. And also, to get the oil and the water measurement, you have to watch this video here on how to make your base cream. In this video, I'm basically just showing you the ingredients that I use, the actives that I used to get the effect that I want the cream to give. I'm not really focusing on the cream, making the cream. So if you want to see how to make your own base cream, you want to watch this video up here, then come back and get the recipe for this video, for this cream. Now, if you like to join our WhatsApp training, you can use the link in the description bar to join our upcoming training, which is on the 24th of August. We just finished one and we have another one coming on the 24th of August. It was a success. Everybody enjoyed this training. I'm going to leave some clips of training. I'm going to leave some clips of students and reviews so that you guys can see it's not a copy and paste training. This training is going to be very intense and very educative. So if you like to be a part of it, you can use the link in the description bar to join and then be on your way to becoming your own skincare boss. I'm not going to be talking till the end of this video, so just watch the video, enjoy it. Get your pen and paper, jot down all the ingredients and the percentages, and then if you want to learn, you have to join this training to learn how to use percentages in your formulation. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you at the end of the video. If you have watched to this extent, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time there's a new upload coming from me, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you took down all the ingredients. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to use the link in the description bar to join our WhatsApp training.